Guys, today I will show you how to install vulnx tool in your Termux in Android. So first make your terminal update and update. For making your terminal update and update, you can copy this one. I given this code and the link and the commands in my Telegram channel, guys. So please visit there and copy the commands and paste it in terminal. Okay. After that, paste it here. Okay. It will take some time, guys. Guys, it will ask for your y or n. You have to type y. After that it will install. Y means yes. See guys, it's installing. See guys, it's done. After that, copy the second command. Okay, copy it and paste it here. See guys, done. After that, clone the tool by copying get clone. Not copy the number, just copy the get clone and copy this one and press enter. It will take some minutes. See guys, it's done. After that, cd for the chain directory. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Okay, now we are in this directory. After that, chmod. Okay, copy it and paste it here. You can make it, no problem. Okay, after that, copy the sixth command, copy it and press enter. So in this video I will show only the installation process here. If you want a full practical video of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel, guys. It's free. This video is only educational purpose. Thanks for watching. Yeah.